H Mobile Housekeeping has a powerful tool that provides room cleaning time statistics, and helps significantly in the future planning of resources. The several types of reports provide data for the analysis of cleaning times per day, per maids, per room type, and even by hotel areas. The system allows to export the reports to Excel for a detailed analysis. The information can be collected in two ways. If the maids have phone mobiles, they will indicate the entry into the room by pressing working, and the end of cleaning by pressing the clean button. If the maids do not have phone mobile devices, it is also possible to obtain this information by dialing from the landline telephone. Our system collects the dialed codes and shows them in the housekeeping supervisor mobile phone. The use of the hotel's telephone infrastructure avoids additional investments. These reports allow you to have the real information of the resources used for the daily cleaning job. These information is essential to balance the budget for housekeeping department with the quality that we want to offer to our customers.